Hi everyone. Today we will see how we can rotate the views in AutoCAD in paper space. We have these two views and we will rotate these two views by 30-degree opposite direction. So let's start here. We have to type a command mb setup, enter, and here we have to click on align, type A, enter, then R for rotate, type R. Now it highlighted this viewport. So here I will select the on snap. You can rotate the view from the center or from any particular point. I want to rotate all the drawing, so I will select edge of this one and I will give the angle 30-degree. So this view is rotated by 30-degree. Now I will type zoom extend and I will type outside here. So we rotate the view by 30-degree here. Same way we will use this one here. We will give again MB setup, A for align and R for rotate. Now we will select this one here. Now we have to give the base point. So for that I will on the snaps and I will select end of this one. Now it's asking the angle, I will give minus 30-degree. Zoom and extend. So in this way we can rotate the viewports view in AutoCAD with the help of the MB setup command.